Use 2 sheets of lined notebook filler paper. Use the edge of one sheet to space 25 points of sound along the top line of the other sheet. Label these points of sound A through G twice. Make sure to use the correct number of spaces between adjacent letters. A to B, 2, B to C, 1, C to D, 2 spaces, D to E, 2 spaces, E to F, 1, F to G, 2 spaces, G back to A, 2 spaces. A review. Find the middle between the letters B and C and E and F. Draw a vertical line that extends down 5 spaces. Middle between B and C. Vertical line down 5 spaces. Middle between E and F. B and C. E and F. Find the middles between the remaining points of sound. Draw a vertical line that extends down 3 spaces. Middle, down 3, middle, down 3. Continue. Till your picture looks like that. Connect pairs of these 3-space tall lines at the bottom with a thick horizontal line. Remember, to get a thick line, change the angle of your pencil against the straight edge. Find the middle of each thick line and draw a vertical line that extends down 2 spaces. Middle of the thick line, down 2. Rewrite the letters from above the points of sound in the middle space of the 3 spaces tall lines. 3 spaces tall, middle space. Write the same letters with a superscript sharp in the top space diagonally to the right from the first set of letters. Diagonally to the right, sharp. We'll continue. Write the same letters with the superscript flat in the lowest of 3 spaces, diagonally to the lower left from the first set of letters. Same letter, diagonally lower left, flat. When you've done that for the entire keyboard, make sure you get that picture. Lightly crosshatch between the pairs of lines connected at the bottom with thick horizontal lines. Pairs connected at the bottom with thick horizontal lines. Light crosshatch. Continue with that process. You'll end with that picture. So I went from points of sound up here on the top. Easy to see how they relate to letter names with spaces between. I went from points of sound to the 3-name keyboard. A sharp, A flat, B flat, B sharp, B flat, etc. 3-name keyboard. From points of sound to 3-name keyboard.